Okay, today I want to talk about Oddity one more time. So I've covered this stock in the past, but yeah, I want to basically just post an update because I like this stock. I really do. And so here's just a couple reasons why I think it might be a good buy. Of course, it could head lower, um, and but I don't know. I think you'd be getting it at a good price around here. And so going back to the IPO, it IPO'd in the high 40s, um, and since then price came down, it pulled up, and that IPO price acted as resistance once, twice, three, four times, five times, right? Six times, seven times, eight times. Finally, price broke above, right? Price broke above, and now price has come down, and now it is below the IPO price. However, the company has only gotten stronger since IPO. Also, price broke down below the 200-day simple moving average, which is this blue line here. Whenever price comes down below the 200-day simple moving average, especially on a solid stock, um, well, it might be time to pay attention. Um, so I think this is a fair price to pay. You're paying IPO price, and you look at the financials. Since then, financials have only gotten better. So when IPO'd, when did it IPO? Was it in 20? No, it was 2023. So since it IPO'd in 2023, if you look at the financials here, revenues have only increased since then. And so has their bottom line. If you look at their bottom line, it has done phenomenally well. So this is a profitable company. They're growing in revenue. No concerns there. Their balance sheet looks just fine. They have minimal debt. And then their cash flows, again, very solid. This company, there's no reason to be bearish on it, in my opinion. And it almost is like a recession-proof stock because it is a makeup company, or they provide makeup companies with their tech. And so, yeah, they have positive operating cash flows and growing operating cash flows. And as such, they have positive free cash flow. Um, and so I think this is a very bullish stock all around, and you shouldn't be fearful when you're buying a good company. Now, on a technical standpoint, it was likely that price was going to pull back into this gap and fill this gap, which it has now done as of yesterday and today. This gap is filled and it's below the 200-day moving average, and you're getting IPO price. So yeah, thanks. That's about all I wanted to cover. The other thing I want to plug is my Buy Me a Coffee link. You can become a member for $8 a month or $80 a year. So you kind of get a little discount at $80 a year. Um, but basically, yeah, you get to kind of see inside of my portfolio and kind of what I'm watching as far as watch lists go. And yeah, the goal is to just post one post per week at a minimum. So um, I intend to post more on there. But yeah, anyway, thanks.